My fam, what is up? Good morning. I'm hyped up on a Monday morning. Hold on, let me get everything up. Good morning, Nick. Good morning, the 10x20 shop. Gold is going crazy. I love it. Love it, love it. I will be trimming my IAU and GDX at open. Hopefully, gold doesn't reject that 2000 level too hard. It's getting super close. But yeah, I would like to take some of my position off and then see if we can break that 2000 level and continue to get the push. But I am hyped. IAU almost in the money. GDX $1.50 in the money. Good morning, Chuck. Good morning, Larry. Channel members, as always, I greatly appreciate you. Lucas, I don't want to mess up some of your names. Good morning, everybody. But yeah, so we are less than 500 subscribers away from 20K. So I'm gonna constantly be reminding people to click that subscribe button in this live stream. As always, click that like button on all the videos that you guys watch, as well as the live stream, because it does actually really help with the YouTube algo to push my channel even more. It's free 99 to click it. But yeah, let's make a watch list today. Let's see what we can get. So let's get that up, and then let's get this one up. Hopefully everybody watched the watch list. Good morning. Let's see, Exxon, I want to watch for the push. I do think oil looks pretty strong. Good morning, Alan. Exxon, look for the push there. Want to know what's funny? A lot of you DM'd me yesterday saying, why is Apple on your watch list? You guys know that I don't really trade Apple, but it looks pretty weak. So maybe Apple, if it gets back down below that 163 level. Good morning, Jason. Yeah, the corn futures, wheat futures, and soybean futures are all going stupid. So we'll watch Apple to the downside today. It did end up breaking below that level. The only issue is it's pretty overextended from that 5 EMA, so we do have to be careful. Airbnb, I'm watching that on the side still. Alaskan Airlines, watching for that swing. We'll see what happens there. AMD, looking to short the crap out of this. So I think AMD goes lower. And remember, yep, gold 2000 coming, baby. I'm hyped. Day trade, and 30-minute time frame. So, depends what AMD is going to do here. AMD. We'll watch that. Did Baba break the level? Yes, it did. Where's the gap fill entry? 87.12. The only issue is, again, I hate when we gap down like this because it makes it hard to find entries. But we'll keep Baba on watch. Hopefully it doesn't break below that low. If I do, there's no pre-market low there. BJ's, that's high alert, watching that swing. Coin, maybe if it gets back down below 143.9, we'll see what we can do there. Look at the liquidity. The 140 puts at the most liquidity, so we'll watch that. Coin, again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It's free 99. We got 110 people up in here and only 50 likes. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. We are less than 500 subscribers away from 20K. I've been averaging like 100 subscribers a day since I got back from Vegas, so I think I might have to make another trip to Vegas and walk around Fremont Street. Chevron, I don't know what happened here. I'm gonna watch it above that level anyway. I feel like that was a misprint. But CDX. And remember, once we hit 150 likes, that's when I drop the watch list. So make sure you guys are doing that. Facebook violated the level. We might have to, we'll put Facebook on the list for now, but might end up cutting it loose. GLD is all the way up to 186. That's crazy. IVNH. Oh yeah, no, I was marketing the whole time. Cough, cough. Even at the club, I was marketing. You just subscribed? Did you? You get a bing bong.
Bing bong.
Thank you for being a subscriber. I greatly appreciate you. I heard you get good luck if you subscribe to the channel. That's what a lot of people are telling me. They said as soon as they subscribe, they had their biggest trading day ever. I don't know how true that is, but I'ma just trust them. Anyways, that was the priority weekly watch right there. Let's see, Boeing, even though I hate trading Boeing. I hate you. Actually kind of looks good to the upside, but we're gonna skip that. Good morning. Let's see, Costco. Nope. CRWD. I'm interested in CRWD if it breaks above last week's high. First day in Team Bull. That's what's up. Welcome to the fam. Let's run it up. They're not interested in. Actually, I gotta take some of these stocks off because I don't even trade much of them anymore. Microsoft, maybe if it got back down below that 277 level, I'd be interested. MSFT. We already looked at Nvidia, that's already on the list. PayPal coming down to that 100 level, maybe. Did it bounce? Maybe. I kind of want to watch for a bounce at 100. Psychological support. 100. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 110 people in here and only 66 likes. Make sure you guys keep liking it up. PayPal. If you're tuning in for your first time, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Looks like that SQ squeeze is firing down. What's this low over here? 118.92. I'll set an alert. Buenos morning. Buenos dias, mi amigo. Somebody asked about Tesla earlier. Let's see. I'd be interested to short Tesla below, what was it, Thursday's low. Nice 30-minute squeeze, so below 982, I think it could go lower. Remember, I'm looking to go long on Tesla around like 942. Is that where it's at? 938.74 is where I'm looking to go long on Tesla. So we'll see. It's building up that weekly squeeze at 21 EMA is going to be the best possible entry. In the meantime, you can watch Tesla to the downside. I am not going to watch it today. Walmart squeezer, not interested, and Exxon. Cool. So we got a decently sized list today. We have Exxon, Apple, AMD, Baba, Coin, Chevron, Facebook, Nvidia, Microsoft, PayPal. Again, we have 120 people in here and only 73 likes. So I need you guys to like it up if you guys want this to be made. I really need gold to go to 2,000. That'd be dope. We're above. Bingo. Cool. But yeah, I'm definitely trimming those GDX and IAUs. Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade is what I'm using. New to Team Bull. Let's go. Welcome to the team. As always, you can feel free to ask any questions. Just don't ask me to look at a penny stock. Odds are I will not look at a penny stock. But yeah, so let's narrow this list down. Let's see what looks the best, and we'll go from there. Pretty sure my stream just disconnected, so hopefully everybody ends up joining back. Also new to Team Bull. Let's go. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that subscribe button. I can guarantee not all 110 of you are subscribed. We're super, super close to 20K. Yes, sir. It is the car of the horns. Good morning, brother. Right now, we are just finding the best setups, doing process of elimination. I really do not want AMD to break that level, so we'll come back to that. Yeah, you should be able to see the same setups on Webull. 93.53. Is there liquidity in these things? The 93 puts have liquidity and the 90 puts have liquidity. So Baba, Love, Coin. I know I want 100K by the end of the year. Might be asking for too much, but that'd be dope. Literally grind on YouTube. Coin, I want to see what happens. See if it comes back. Chevron, I'm pretty sure that was a misprint. So Chevron break above 173, take it to 174. The liquidity's in the 175 calls. So I love Chevron. Facebook. Maybe if Facebook can get below that 208. We'll see. Nvidia. Honestly, I'd prefer AMD over Nvidia, so take Nvidia off. Microsoft. See, 277. Honestly, my plan this week is kind of short spying QQQ, or at least the names in spying QQQ, and go long on gold oil names. Again, I could be completely wrong on that, right? So last week I pretty much nailed it, saying bearish on spying QQQ. Sure, I'm still bearish this week. Doesn't mean I'm not going to trade to the upside, but I could be 1000% wrong. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna watch for a bounce at 100 on PayPal. Oh, but you'd have to go with the 105 calls, which is like super far out of the money. How much does this thing move in a day? It moves $4.95 in a day. Maybe. Ooh, I'm gonna put it on the list. We'll just have to see where the liquidity ends up going. I might buy like at the money, so like a $100 call. PayPal. Looking for a $100 bounce to go long. Watching either the 100 or 105 call. Yeah, GLD's going. There's PayPal. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 125 people in here and only 96 likes. I will drop the watch list once we hit 150 likes. So make sure you guys are liking the video. So there's PayPal. Just a very basic trade. Go back to the top of the list. Exxon. Let's see, 85.55. Daily Persons pivots say 89.74. Whoops. Liquidity is in 89 and 90 calls. Perfect. So now the question is, do we watch Chevron or do we watch Exxon? $173. It has that dollar move. 175 calls have liquidity. All right, so we're gonna have to choose between Exxon and Chevron. Either way, I'm watching one oil name today. Can't wait for that Black Monday type deal. Maybe you'll get one. I don't know. Apple, again, it's gonna have to come down to 163 for me to even be interested. AMD is kind of hovering around that level. Might have to wait a little closer to market open. Baba 93.53. We shall see. Mike says Chevron. Ideally, Facebook below 208 is what I would like to see. 206.94, 207. Maybe it rejects at 210 because that was Friday's low. There's got room all the way down here. 202.04. I have a video on how to set up your Thinkorswim. Just find it on my channel. It's like one of my most popular videos. Let's see, what's the NASDAQ doing? I do not want gold to hit 2,000 before the market open, but it's probably going to. So, I'm gonna say I'm bearish on Facebook today. Do we prefer Facebook or do we prefer Microsoft? That is the question. Let's see, 277. Yearly low. 270. It's got the room. What do you guys think? Facebook or Microsoft? Setups look exactly the same. Only thing is, Microsoft's a little more overextended. I think Facebook. Hard decisions today. Facebook, Microsoft. They both have a lot of liquidity. Only issue on Microsoft, it looks like those spreads are a little wider. Yeah, we're gonna go with Facebook. Facebook below 208. Yeah, the spreads on Microsoft are like 30 wide. So Facebook looking for a break below 208 for puts. Price target equal, what is that level? 207. 206.76. Yes, if you want to get the TTM Squeeze Pro, make sure to use my my affiliate link. Whoops. Below there has a lot of room down to 202.04. There's Facebook. Watch that to the downside. Let's choose between Exxon and Chevron. I think Exxon might be the better deal. Let's see, Chevron moves $4.39 a day. Exxon moves $2.54 a day. 4,000 open interest on the 90 calls. Chevron. We already exited HIG. We exited HIG like last week. 175. Well, gold hit 2,000. Break it. Go stupid. Go crazy. Keep it going. I want more. Keep it going. I'm so hyped. Love me some gold. I think we might watch the Chevron today. 173, 174, 174, 76. You can watch the Exxon. The contracts are super cheap. Let's do this. We're gonna watch Chevron, but I'll tell people to also watch Exxon. Chevron, liking this over 173. Price target equal 174.08 or 174, 174.08, 174.76. Also watch Exxon. They both move together. Levels given in last night's video. Good morning. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 158 people up in here. Make sure to get 150 likes. That is when I will drop the watch list in the chat. And make sure to click that subscribe button. We are less than 500 subscribers away from 20K. So I need you guys to run it up. I want to celebrate my 20K by Saturday. All right, so we got Chevron. But yeah, make sure to click that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all of you. I love you all. And Exxon, I guess I'll watch that on the side. Apple, I mean, pretty bearish below 163, so I'll just set an alert. AMD. $91.73. We'll see with that one. Baba broke the level, of course, so we gotta take that one off. Coin. I don't even know how many likes we have. 128. We need 25 more. Coin's coming back up, so I'm gonna take that off. Microsoft. Again, if you click that subscribe button, you do get a bing bong. So, you want some bing bongs in the morning, you gotta click that subscribe button. It's kind of between AMD and Microsoft right now. Again, you can watch Tesla. I'm not watching Tesla today. Don't they report earnings this week? Premium should be pretty juiced if they are. And real quick, if you guys are not following me on Twitter, make sure to do so. At Carhorn, CARWHORNS. You just subscribed? Why is it not popping up? Did the little SpongeBob thing pop up? Of course they report on 420. Why wouldn't they? But yeah, make sure to follow me on Twitter. Post a bunch of dope setups for you guys. Like BJ's, my #1 watch this week. Last time I swung it, 500% banger. Yeah. Had a monthly bull flag and everything. Was squeezing on the weekly. I was chilling in a Cracker Barrel when I put that trade on. Said to my fiance, I was like, hold on. Let me put this trade on real quick. Give me like 10 minutes. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Bing bong. You get a bing bong. Now we're, I don't even know how many subs away from 20K, but yeah, I greatly appreciate you guys. Dumb question, but should we be wait until then make our setups? No, I do everything in the pre-market, so everything's set up for the day and I can just go at it. Also prepare most of my charts over the weekend. Oh my god, Elon, GOAT. Elon is the GOAT of the century. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We are 16 likes away from 150 likes. So make sure to run it up. I greatly appreciate you guys. October 8th. I think. Whew. Hold on. Yes, that's the Saturday. I keep mixing it up with October 6th. I have something to do on October 6th. I don't know what it is, but locked in my head for some reason. Apple is not on the list today. Not trading it. I don't know why you didn't get the SpongeBob dance. Weird. Alright, so we got like 5 minutes. You guys can ask me to look at some stocks. I guess I will look at them for you. Drop some names. Let's do it. See if I find any other good setups. Husband of the Year award. I always mess with my fiance about that. Shopify. To be honest with you, I don't know if I've ever traded Shopify. If I have, it's been a really long time. Honestly, maybe break below 571. That's just the pre-market low, but it didn't set like a solid pre-market low. So as of now, below 571, could see 560. Let's see what's going on with Elon. He's a goat. TLT, I think that's going to go lower. Remember, TLT it's been leading the market. If you pull up a daily chart of TLT, it's bear flagged so many times, and every single time it broke out of the bear flag, the market dropped with it. So keep your eye on TLT. This thing's continuing to drop. Let's see. What do we got? RTX. I don't know if we can day trade that this week. You could. The 105 calls. Yeah, maybe if it breaks above 105, look to go long with the 105 calls. Nice 30-minute squeeze. Let's see, it's breaking above the all-time high. It's got room to like 107. It's not a bad setup if you want to watch that. Let's see, HON. Yeah, but Mike, they could also be selling short. I don't really pay attention to open interest for that reason. HON not interested in. I do not trade Neo or SoFi. Lockheed. See, the only issue is with Lockheed Martin, the spreads are always stupid wide and there's no liquidity. So you can't really trade it. From a technical standpoint, I think it continues. 4-hour squeeze, 1-hour squeeze, daily looking to go back to all-time highs, but yeah, LMT, the liquidity is terrible. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We're 7 likes away from 150. FedEx. I'd probably be looking for a short position on this. Break below 205 for puts. Liquidity, not there. So definitely not something I would day trade. No liquidity in that bad boy. We'll see when it comes time to actually enter the BJ's trade. I don't know which strike I'm going for. Let's see, I trade SPY based off of Uncle's levels. Goldman Sachs, I don't think there's any liquidity in that one either. Yeah, no, there's no volume or open interest. Gonna make it very hard to trade. What else we got? Let's look at 2 more. Nike. Let's see, liquidity, 135 calls, 132 puts. Nice bull flag. Look at Nike above Friday's high at 1. Hold on. A break above 134.38 for the 135 calls. 136 would be a price target. That's going to be your 55 EMA on the daily. That Nike actually doesn't look bad. That might find its way onto the list. Gotta join the Discord. If you want Uncle's levels, join the Discord. All you gotta do is go to the option chain and look at the open interest. That's how you find liquidity. No, liquidity is literally just going to the option chain and looking at the volume and open interest. That's it. If there's only a couple hundred open interest, there's no liquidity. Thousands of open interest, there's liquidity. Come on, gold, don't be like this. Keep pumping for me. I do really like that Nike though. Whoever brought that up, that might actually find its way onto the list. Thank you for the subscribe. Bing bong. Bingity bingity bong. PayPal. Watch that for that 100 bounce. Facebook. Watching that for puts, hopefully. Again, I could be 1000% wrong today. None of these levels could validate. If that's the case, I'm cool with just taking my GDX and IAU profits and calling it a day. Nick, my man. Hey, this guy Nick in the chat, he's gonna be celebrating with me on Saturday when we hit 20K. It's gonna be one fun night. Again, I don't trade SoFi. I don't trade those low caps. Yeah, Nike. We looked at FedEx. I don't trade Neo. GM is just, that'd be like a small account name, but nasty squeeze. You can watch it below 40 for puts. Yeah, below 40 for puts. Maybe go at the money. Good stuff. Are they? Yeah, that target broke above that daily bull flag. I forgot about that. Those 240 calls above 238.19. Me gusta. Low key, I like that. We got a lot to look at today. All right, let's run through that list one more time. Take this thing off. Motive by Jay. Yes, sir. Let's make this money today. I really like that AMD short. I'm going to take Microsoft off. Yeah, you can watch Microsoft below 277. It's definitely got the room to drop. I just really like this Target and Nike. Where 664 237.20. It's got to break above 238.19 for me to even be interested. But it's definitely, it broke the daily bull flag. I think which one we doing today? Nike's actually setting up for a nice bounce as well at 131.52. I don't got enough charts to have all these up though. So let's see, if it bounced at 131.52, there is a lot of open interest in the 131 calls, so you could go slightly in the money. And then the next liquidity is in the 135s. So, how much room I got? All right, we gotta choose one. What's it gonna be? Nike or Target? We're gonna have to get a coin and flip it. Looking at the charts, what do we think? Nike. Let me make sure there's no SMAs blocking it. Nike. Target. I'm thinking Target. The first comment, I like it with Nike. They both look fantastic. So you can literally watch both of them. I personally think I'm going to go with Target. Got the room. Same thing with Nike, but Target above 238.20, I'm going to watch to the upside. Nike, you can watch it for either a break above 134.38 for 136 or a bounce at 131.52. So, your personal choice. I'm rolling with Target. Grizzly's going to be very proud. Everybody in the chat is thinking Target as well. Cool. Target looking for a break above 238.2 for calls. Price target equal 239.69. 241.25. Cool. There's a watch list today. We hit 150 likes. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that subscribe button because I am currently, let me do some math, 475 subscribers away from hitting 20K. So I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. I guarantee not all 185 of you are subscribed. In the last 28 days, I've done 105,000 views, which is just insane. I'm gonna really need to go back to Vegas because channel exploded right after I came back from Vegas. So clearly there's something there. But we did hit the 150 like goal. So I'm gonna drop you guys my watch list for the day. There's PayPal. There's Facebook. Chevron. And Target. Hold on. Target. Now, just a couple other things. I am doing a mentorship with Grizzly and GD. So if you guys do want to hop in the mentorship, I'm going to drop the link real quick in the chat. Other than that, if you do want to support the channel for all the free education that I give to you guys, as well as these free pre-market watch lists in the morning, just feel free to head on over to the channel and click this big old button right here that says join. It's only $9.99 a month. Plus I post, you know, some stuff to channel members only. So yeah, if you want to support the channel, feel free to do that. There is the mentorship coming up for, we're in April, so May. We're going to start May 16th, I believe it is. But yeah, other than that, let's run it up today. Let's hopefully make some money. Hopefully our gold can hold up and we can exit our positions at maximum profit. If you guys do make money off of the watch list, take a screenshot, send it to me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Other than that, make sure you guys are subscribed. I'll be live tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Let's run it up.